Okay, now I will introduce another stylish induction cooker to you. You can see very different with the one I show you just now. This one is very hostile to Middle East, especially Turkey and Syria, with our own brand, Ailipu. And the round plane size is diameter 250 millimeter, is 8 gram polished black crystal plane. And here is the 8 gram tempered glass. You can change any color, any design you like here. We have many colors for your choice. And here is 100% stainless steel to connect the round crystal plate and the tempered glass, make it more high-end. And here, the surrounding is blue light. When connect the power, it will bright blue light. Very beautiful. Now I will connect the power to show you the effect. Okay, here. Now I connect the power to show you the effect. You can see the blue light bright, make it very beautiful and very nice. And for this one, we have a function for your option: hot pot, fried, barbecue, raw fire, soup, steamed, water, cooking. And it also shows the temperature and the power here. It's very convenient, very clear. The indicator light will be bright with the corresponding power or temperature. You can see, very beautiful. It's very hostile one, very hostile to Turkey with our own brand, Ailipu. Now I will turn it off. The face cover is also an ABS cover. The button is a button. Here, the air vent design and the four anti-slip rubber feet. It's very hostile one. Now I will show you the gift box. Our own design, very hostile to Middle East. And please kindly note that we are the only factory of Ailipu. You can see. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact me. We will give you our best price, very competitive price. Only we can supply you so competitive price because we are the factory. We are the only factory for this Ailipu induction cooker. Okay, this finished. Next, please.